This is the Stinger Wet Dry Vac. This thing is amazing. I was a little nervous because it was so small and inexpensive, but this thing is really powerful and you get a lot right out of the box. So let me show you what it comes with. It comes with a decent size hose that stretches a little bit, and it comes with this attachment to get in the hard to reach areas, and it also comes with this attachment, which is really good for doing floors and stuff like that. And everything wraps up nice so it doesn't take up that much space. The cord has a spot for it to get wrapped around the side, so I'm going to unravel it. And the cord is pretty long. I would say it's about 10-15 feet. So you get a nice cord. Let's look at the inside of it real quick before we turn it on. So we have a filter here, and then this is where all the dirt and dust is going to go. So let's plug it in, see how powerful it is. So for the first test, I'm going to show you over here. So it sucks this booklet in, and it's a pretty decently heavy booklet. So the suction is really strong. It really has a lot of power. So let's plug the hose in. Let's see how it does with some regular old dirt from my garden. I got some dirt from the garden. There we go. I'm going to use the wider one that it gives us. So it took that dirt, no problem. Now I want to show you guys the blower feature. So if you put the hose on the other end, now you got like a leaf blower, which is really cool. So let's put the blower part on. And if you want to save some money and clean your AC drain line, this is perfect. I worked as an HVAC technician for a while, and a lot of the senior technicians would keep one of these in the truck just because it's so powerful and so portable, so you could use it for your AC drain line. You can also use it to vacuum the inside of your car if you want to do it to detail your car. Really good at doing that. You can also use it to clean your dryer vent. I use this for dryer vent cleaning. That's what I do for work. So you could put the brush in like this, and then there is an attachment over here. You might need to get a special adapter so it fits into the attachment. But there you go. You could do a dryer vent cleaning with a dryer vent cleaning kit. And if you want to learn how to clean your dryer vent like a professional, watch this video over here. Thank you.